Hey everyone, it's Kelly Rush, Product Manager for Camtasia. In Camtasia 24, we introduced Dynamic Captions, an amazing tool for automatically transcribing your content and then displaying the text as stylized captions on your video. People have loved using Dynamic Captions in their videos to create social style captions and engage their viewers, and in the latest update to Camtasia, we're bringing you even more control over your Dynamic Captions with the ability to adjust word timing. But first, make sure that you like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the latest tips and updates for Camtasia. Okay, so let's take a look at how to adjust word timing for Dynamic Captions. We'll start by placing an audio narration file on our timeline, and then going to the Captions panel and adding one of the Dynamic Captions presets. When we do this, it'll kick off our AI transcription engine and begin transcribing all of the words in your narrated audio file. Once the audio is done transcribing, if you've used Dynamic Captions before, you should already notice something new: a purple line across the top of your media. This indicates that the audio on the timeline has been transcribed. If we click on that bar, it'll now expand, showing some additional information. At the default zoom level, you won't see the individual transcribed words. However, if we zoom in a few levels, you'll begin to see all of your transcribed words appear above the media. You'll notice all the transcribed words above different parts of the audio waveform, and this is how the words are timed with your voice narration. By default, the AI usually does a great job at timing out most of the words, but sometimes it doesn't get it quite right. This is where timing comes in handy. For instance, we can see these two words don't quite align with where the speaking happens. To fix that, all we have to do is click on the word and drag it left or right to adjust the timing to what's being spoken. We can do that for the next word, and then continue on for any other words we might want to adjust. Another great addition with this feature is the visualization of gaps. Camtasia's auto-transcription always looked for gaps in narration and added them behind the scenes to clear the screen of words during natural pauses, but unfortunately, it wasn't possible to adjust the timing of these gaps. With this update, you can now see these gaps on the timeline and adjust them to your preference. So that's how easy it is to adjust timing for transcribed Dynamic Captions in Camtasia. For anyone using Dynamic Captions in their content, this is going to be a great new tool for making your social captions look even better. Leave a comment below about how you're using Dynamic Captions in your content, and be sure to like and subscribe to get the latest news about Camtasia.